Give your head an opportunity to decide. Relationships in the early phase of formation are guided by heart and physical attraction and needs. How many of us give a chance to our head to decide whether we will relate to a person using our head? Very few of us do that. This irrational process continues for long and may be the cause of suffering in some relationships. Please give your head a chance to decide about the relationship and about whether it should continue. Infatuation decides many relationships. You see someone and decide that you want that person. You do not reason at all about why you want that person. I read many posts about teenagers saying that I saw that boy and girl and I want to relate. Why do you want to relate with a person by only looking at him or her? Will that relationship give pleasure or pain? In many instances, it gives pleasure. The love at first sight relationship may go on for life, but many times, it may lead to pain. If heads were given a choice in selection of the partner, this would not have happened. Similar trend continues after the relationship develops cracks. Most of us are at a loss to decide about the future of the relationship. No analysis is done to decide. It is heart and feelings that rule. Either it is fear of breaking up and hurting your partner, or it is fear of searching for another relationship or some other reason. But this goes on. We do not allow our head to decide. Please give the head a chance to decide the relationship. Keep feelings in picture, but become a little more analytical and look for happiness with the help of your head.
Thank you so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate each and every one of you for your support and for spending your valuable time with me. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on future content. Your feedback and engagement mean the world to me, and I can't wait to connect with you again in the next episode. Until then, take care, stay inspired, and keep shining. See you next time. Thank you so much for tuning in.